Welcome to PetSmart, North America's leading pet specialty retailer with nearly 1,700 stores and more than 70 million members in our award-winning Treats Rewards loyalty program. Every day, our 50,000 pet-passionate associates wake up to help our customers care for their pets, creating an enduring loyalty that is the heart of specialty retail. We knew that data from transactions, customer profiles, and our internal product recommendation engine, just to name a few, could deliver pet parents a better experience with PetSmart and help deepen their bond with their pets. With 70 million members, we always strive to do this at scale so that each of our members gets the very best experience. Nearly 95% of our sales come from our loyalty members, and we learn more about their preferences and choices every day. It's our responsibility and commitment to use that data and make the customer journey easier and more personalized. For example, we wanted to recognize a pet's birthday and send a gift, remind you it's time to replenish your cat food and provide relevant offers, send a salon certificate to keep your grooming routine in check and your pet looking their very best. Even though we could do all of these ideas once or twice, doing them every day for every pet parent millions of times per year is challenging. We needed technology that was secure, could work in our big data environment, and that our marketing team could use to deliver personalized experiences for every pet parent. That's why PetSmart selected Hightouch to connect the worlds of data and marketing activation. We began with a pilot to demonstrate that we could deliver on this promise. We quickly gained the confidence that the technology would provide the unlock that we needed to deliver at scale. Now, several years into the journey, we're powering more than 4 billion personalized communications across thousands of campaigns every year, and we've delivered meaningful lift in engagement and sales. Tapping into the power of data, our strategic advantage, we're able to deliver a differentiated experience for pet parents every single time they visit the store or open the app. We're moving faster, learning faster, and customizing every touch point specifically to each individual pet parent and their pet. We want to earn lifelong loyalty from pet parents, and with Hightouch, we're making an impact on our associates, pet parents, and all of the pets in their lives.